Okay, so we're now out in the BMW 520 M Sport, and this is the new 2017 model, so it's the latest model there is, and as you will see from the videos and pictures, this is an all new, completely different shape, revised model with an all new interior also as well, so we'll show you all around the car as well as giving you our impressions on the drive. So far straight away, yeah, it's a nice lovely place to be, really comfortable kind of leather bucket seats, kind of bigger hugging, nice got this cool little gauge that basically comes up. And one thing I have to note as well is we've been averaging 40.9 miles per gallon, and we haven't been easy on the old accelerator pedal, I have to say. So that's really impressive for a fairly big car that you'd expect to be reasonably heavy. It's crazy. Another thing that I've also noticed as well is it has that kind of like electrical harvesting energy, which basically it means that sometimes when you brake, which I just did then, I'll do it again, you'll see, or you just decelerate, you'll see that basically there's like an alternator that kind of harvests energy, used spent energy, and it regens it back into kind of electric energy. So what happens is there's no electric motor that basically is powering any of the wheels, but what that electrical energy that's been regenerated will do is it will power all the kind of ancillaries and all the lights and things like that. So just little things like that will allow the car to kind of get more miles per gallon technically, which is really, really good. It might be only a little bit, but you know, that is ultimate efficiency and technology at, you know, its finest. So it's pretty cool. We like that. Quite cool. Another feature is the horsepower and torque meters, which we quite like. Let's have a little look and put it in first, and let's give it a little. Quite cool. We like that. Nice reverse camera as well in a big car like this, even though actually I'd say the visibility is really quite nice. It's really nice to have something like that. So yeah, nice little feature. So one of the other features I'm going to show you as well, which is on this model, we'll make sure that we let you know about the different features and everything of each model that we're kind of going in. So I'm going to go and sit down in this car. So what am I doing? Push this button here, and then the deflate or inflate your seat, so we can inflate and deflate our seat, and I can rest assure you feel that now. So Johnny's pumping up the seat here, and it's kind of, yeah, it's giving me more support in the seat, which is quite cool. So yeah, really, that's a cool little feature. Full electric, yeah, nice, like that. Cool. One of the other cool features as well on some of these fancy new BMWs is this BMW display key as well. So you can do loads of things. It's almost like an iPad in a key fob. So that's upside down, let's turn it that way. So slide vehicle, you can get vehicle information, you can turn the lights on from here, engine oil, brake fluid, back lights, there you go, side parking lights right on, etc. Oh, there you go, swipe, you get the range, so you can turn on things like, you can lock it, turn it on, set your kind of time of departure, so you can basically set your kind of air conditioning, so you can preheat or pre-cool the engine, the interior and cockpit, so you feel nice and cool when you go out in it, or nice and hot when you're going to be potentially cold during the winter. And this has basically got a like something like a lithium-ion battery in here, and so it doesn't run out. It's got a charge pad in there, so basically wireless charging to keep that charged at all times. So it's pretty epic.